Does Cash Giraffe pay real money? Explain. So, Cash Giraffe presents itself as a play and earn mobile app. You pretty much just download and play featured games or complete tasks and earn in app currency, which you can redeem for PayPal Cash or gift cards. And according to the reviews, the developer pays out via PayPal and gift cards, of course, so that pretty much just means that you can earn in Cash Giraffe. So it is reported to pay real rewards for some users, but the terms of service confirm that you can redeem coins or gems for cash payments. Although the earning rate is very low, and some users report that the payout options can get removed or become only voucher or discounts rather than cash at some point. There's reliance on background tracking and offers, meaning you must install games via the app and allow permissions. Support and customer service appears weak or inconsistent in several user reports, but that doesn't mean you can't earn in Cash Giraffe. So, Cash Giraffe is not a scam or any of those sense. The many users reported how successful redemptions can work, and it does pay real money or gift card rewards. Again, it is not a serious income generator though, so you're gonna have to expect small returns, long playtime, and the possibility of payout options changing or disappearing. So treat it as a casual side gig rather than a dependable revenue source. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.